Haagen-Dazs. That's good. So this is going to be the first view of the beach. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so I'm staying in a hotel in Ao Nang, and yeah, actually just met some people on the minibus, and as I was thinking, man, they're going to stay in hostels. As I was thinking, that's kind of cool. I probably should be staying in hostels and meeting a bunch of people, but they were. I have been staying in hotels, and here I am in another hotel. Let me see, how do I open this one? Okay, let's take a look at the balcony. So I have this balcony. It overlooks a kind of a wall thing. And you got the limestone cliffs in the distance. And the beach is like right over there. And I'm just kind of getting all set up. So that's the bag I'm going to carry and put the cameras in. My zoom camera, spare battery, got more spare batteries in there too. So now you get to see what a guy that does video stuff has in his hotel. Not much. Those things and these things. And the guy with a beard has to have a brush. And that's about it. Okay. Okay, so I'm staying right here, Elisa Hotel, Ao Nang. Ao Nang is not too far from Krabi, so we are going to walk down the main street here and show you some of the restaurants. Rural ice cream, okay. So they sell a lot of towels and hats and shirts. And the beach is directly this way, so this first video I'll just walk towards it, and now you saw the hotel and you can see exactly what the main street is for Ao Nang. I just bought some different clothes. I've been needing to do laundry for a while, so pad thai is 60 and 80. Wow, good. Pizza. So we're gonna walk straight ahead to that beach, and we'll just kind of show you. I'll show you a couple things. Here's some limestone cliffs right here, and another limestone cliff right there as well. So, hello. How you doing? Hi. Thai food. Sounds good. So, okay. Massage places are everywhere. So I'll just bring this camera down to the beach, and then we'll conclude for the first video for Ao Nang, and then later you can see other ones because I'll keep adding them as well. But at least this way you get to see the first one. So you just see there's the restaurants, shopping. We got everything here, 7-Eleven, Burger King. More tourist stuff. Got these tourist things. So, okay. Oops. Coffee Club. So yeah, this is Krabi. Is this the town nearby? It's 800 to the airport. Wow. Yeah, they really charge quite a bit, but it is not too close either. So this one has a bus stop, 150 baht to the airport. So you have some options. And we're gonna come on the beach in a minute. Little dog. Tourist places. Haagen-Dazs. That's good. So this is going to be the first view of the beach. So okay. So limestone cliffs over there. I think these people are all waiting for buses, I think. And we have the beach. We're gonna walk down this beach in a little bit, but first we're just gonna get to it. Looks pretty typical of what you'd see at most beaches. Okay, there's a lot more people down this way. Huh. So I think more of the shops and things are down this way, but this looks like it's more of the places to go. Okay, so we just kind of zoom around here. Now you can see exactly it's all here.
Chiquinha,